Welcome to the ultimate guide for mastering your money. Money mastery is a skill that everyone should strive to achieve, but it is often overlooked or misunderstood. In this comprehensive video, we will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to effectively manage your personal finances. Whether you are just starting on your financial journey or looking to improve your current financial situation, this guide is for you. We will cover a wide range of topics, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Our goal is to help you gain control over your money, make smart financial decisions, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Throughout this guide, you will find practical tips, expert advice, and real-life examples to help you understand and implement the strategies discussed. We understand that everyone's financial situation is unique, so we provide flexibility and options to cater to your specific needs. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and pave the way to a brighter financial future, let's get started on your journey to money mastery. Importance of effective personal finance management. Managing your personal finances is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. By assessing your income, expenses, and assets, you can gain valuable insights into your financial health. This knowledge is essential for making informed decisions and setting realistic financial goals. Secondly, effective personal finance management helps you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary debt. By creating a budget, you can allocate your income towards essential expenses, savings, and investments. This prevents overspending and enables you to build a solid financial foundation. Lastly, mastering your money empowers you to plan for the future. Whether it's saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or starting a business, having control over your finances allows you to pursue your long-term goals with confidence. It provides you with the freedom and flexibility to make choices that align with your aspirations. Assessing your current financial situation. Before you can start managing your money effectively, it's important to assess your current financial situation. This involves taking stock of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. By doing so, you can gain a clear understanding of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Start by collecting all your financial documents, such as bank statements, credit card bills, and investment statements. Calculate your total monthly income after taxes and subtract your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance premiums. Next, subtract your variable expenses, such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment. The remaining amount is what you have available for savings and investments. It's also important to evaluate your assets and liabilities. Your assets may include cash, investments, real estate, and valuable possessions. On the other hand, your liabilities may include outstanding debts, such as credit card balances, student loans, and mortgages. By understanding your net worth, assets minus liabilities, you can assess your overall financial health. Setting financial goals. Once you have assessed your current financial situation, the next step is to set clear and achievable financial goals. Your goals will depend on your individual circumstances and aspirations. They can be short-term, such as paying off credit card debt, or long-term, such as saving for a down payment on a house. To set effective financial goals, they should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. For example, instead of setting a vague goal like, save more money, a SMART goal would be, save $500 per month for a down payment on a house within 2 years. This goal is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, making it easier to track progress and stay motivated. Remember, financial goals should be personal and meaningful to you. They provide a roadmap for your financial journey and serve as a constant reminder of why effective money management is essential. Regularly review and update your goals as your circumstances change and celebrate your achievements along the way. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in managing your personal finances effectively. A budget is a financial plan that helps you allocate your income towards different categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. It ensures that you are spending within your means and saving for your financial goals. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income. This may include your salary, side gig earnings, rental income, or investment returns. Next, list all your expenses, both fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are recurring costs that remain relatively stable each month, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance premiums. Variable expenses, on the other hand, can vary from month to month, such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Once you have listed your income and expenses, subtract your expenses from your income. If you have a surplus, allocate the extra funds towards savings or investments. If you have a deficit, examine your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back or find ways to increase your income. The goal is to achieve a balanced budget where your income covers all your expenses and allows for savings and investments. Creating a budget is not a one-time task. It's important to track your expenses regularly and adjust your budget as needed. Use budgeting tools and apps to simplify the process and stay organized. Over time, you will develop a better understanding of your spending habits and be able to make more informed financial decisions. Saving and investing strategies. Saving and investing are key components of effective personal finance management. Saving involves setting aside a portion of your income for future use, while investing involves putting your money to work to generate returns over time. Both strategies are important for building wealth and achieving financial security. When it comes to saving, it's essential to develop a habit of paying yourself first. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account or investment account. This ensures that you save consistently without relying on willpower alone. Aim to save at least 10% of your income, but adjust this percentage based on your financial goals and current expenses. In addition to traditional savings accounts, consider exploring other savings vehicles that offer higher interest rates or potential tax advantages. These may include certificates of deposit, CDs, money market accounts, or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Each option has its own benefits and limitations, so research and consult with a financial advisor to determine the best approach for you. When it comes to investing, it's important to start early and diversify your portfolio. Investing allows your money to grow over time through the power of compounding returns. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes to spread your risk and maximize potential returns. If you're new to investing, consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that provide broad market exposure. Managing debt and credit. Managing debt and credit is a critical aspect of personal finance management. Debt can quickly become a burden if not managed properly, so it's important to have a plan in place to pay off debt and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Start by assessing your current debt situation. Make a list of all your outstanding debts, including credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and mortgages. Note down the interest rates, minimum monthly payments, and total balances for each debt. This will give you a clear picture of your debt obligations. Next, develop a debt repayment strategy. There are two common approaches: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest debt. The avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. By paying off high-interest debts first, you save more on interest over time. In addition to managing debt, it's important to understand and maintain good credit. Your credit score plays a crucial role in obtaining favorable interest rates on loans and credit cards. To maintain good credit, make all your debt payments on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening unnecessary credit accounts. Regularly monitor your credit report for errors and take steps to rectify them if needed. Insurance and risk management. Insurance is an essential component of personal finance management. It provides financial protection against unforeseen events and helps mitigate risk. By having the right insurance policies in place, you can safeguard your assets and protect yourself from potential financial hardships. The most common types of insurance include health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance. Health insurance is crucial for covering medical expenses and ensuring access to quality health care. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones in the event of your death. Auto insurance protects you against vehicle-related accidents and damages. Homeowners or renters insurance safeguards your home or belongings from unexpected events like theft or natural disasters. When selecting insurance policies, it's important to assess your needs and choose coverage that aligns with your circumstances. Consult with insurance professionals to understand the different options available and determine the appropriate coverage levels. Regularly review your policies to ensure they are up to date and reflect any changes in your situation, such as purchasing a new home or having dependents. Building and protecting your wealth. Building and protecting your wealth is the ultimate goal of effective personal finance management. It involves accumulating assets and investments over time, while also implementing strategies to safeguard your wealth from potential risks. To build wealth, it's important to focus on long-term financial planning. This includes setting clear financial goals, saving and investing consistently, and staying disciplined. By investing in a diversified portfolio and taking advantage of compound interest, you can grow your wealth over time and achieve financial independence. In addition to building wealth, it's crucial to protect your assets through proper estate planning. Estate planning involves creating a will, establishing trusts, and designating beneficiaries for your assets. By doing so, you ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and minimize potential conflicts among family members. It's also important to have an emergency fund as a buffer against unexpected expenses or income loss. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a liquid account. This will provide peace of mind and protect you from having to rely on credit cards or loans during challenging times. Regularly review and update your financial plan as you progress towards your goals. Seek guidance from financial advisors or wealth management professionals to ensure you are on track and make adjustments as needed. Building and protecting your wealth requires ongoing monitoring and adjustment to adapt to changing circumstances and market conditions. Conclusion: taking control of your financial future. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our comprehensive guide to money mastery. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the importance of effective personal finance management and the strategies needed to achieve it. Remember, mastering your money is a lifelong journey. It requires discipline, patience, and continuous learning. But the rewards are worth it. By taking control of your finances, you can reduce stress, achieve financial security, and create opportunities for yourself and your loved ones. Utilize the knowledge and tools provided in this guide to assess your current financial situation, set clear goals, create a budget, save and invest wisely, manage debt, protect your assets, and build long-term wealth. Stay committed to your financial journey, seek guidance when needed, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Here's to your financial success and a brighter future ahead.